Hello friends. Yesterday I posted a video about Nagpur bus stand. There was some confusion in that. So this is an explanation video. Of course, along with this, I will be posting more videos after this explanation. So first see the explanation, then see the video, then you will be able to understand. Okay, it's mainly about the Raipur bus. Everyone was asking, so I'll give a clear explanation about that. First of all, why did the confusion come means I did not post the video sequentially as my travel. I posted it first. Posted the high speed video. First I posted the orange line train video, then the high speed TSRTC bus, then Nagpur video. In that also I have split it into two. Okay, I have a special bus which I will be posting in part 2. Yesterday I posted part 1. Now I will be posting today part 2. After this explanation, you will see that. Okay, there's a special bus in that. So that bus I wanted to show. So I split it. When I split it, the continuity was lost and the confusion arose. So first I'll explain to you everything. I'll explain. First I'll just see the points: Indore, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Raipur, Rajasthan. Okay. Now I'll begin the explanation. See, I reached Adilabad in the morning 7 a.m. around that time, 6:37 around that time. The bus 6 a.m. bus had left. There are 3 buses from Adilabad to Nagpur. Totally there are 6 buses, TSRTC buses, 3 from Hyderabad depot, 3 from Adilabad depot. Okay, the Adilabad bus 3 buses are express buses, and the Hyderabad buses are all super luxury buses, pink color buses. Okay, this is blue color buses, blue and white. You know right? What are those colors? The Adilabad buses, first of all, they don't have any timings, fixed timings. Every day they keep changing it. 6 a.m. one bus had left. So by the time 6:30 around that time I went 6:30 or 7, I don't remember. They told the next bus is at 7:45 or something. But that bus left at 7:40. It left. 7:30 they told, then it left at 7:40. The next bus is 8:45. But this timing is not fixed. They keep changing it. Okay, and when they reach, yesterday in part 1 you would have heard me tell that there is no fixed timings. When they reach Nagpur, immediately they will leave back. The very good thing about the bus that I left was it left at 7:35, 7:40 it left, 7:40, 7:45. It reached Nagpur 35 minutes early. It reached at 11:50. It reached Nagpur. 4 hours 10 minutes. That's all it took for 200 kilometers. Very, very good driving. That too, it was bad highway. You saw this in this speed bus, right? The highway was bad, but still he drove superbly. And by the city, he reached at 11:50. He reached the bus stand at 12:05. Okay, so that video I'll post again. That is the future video. I'll be posting. That is the next video I'll be posting. Now, when I reached in the morning and I was speaking to this Adilabad express bus driver, he told me there are 5 buses. Okay, whatever knowledge he had, he shared with me. So that only I had three from Adilabad depot and 2 from Hyderabad depot. 2 super luxuries which will be parked inside the depot, he told. So while going itself, I saw one bus, the 6 a.m. bus which left for Nagpur. No, as soon as it went, it just took a small break and it was returning. So you will see that in this video, the crossing of 6 a.m. bus and the 7:30 bus. Okay, you will be seeing that in this video. So I saw 2 buses, 2 express buses. Then as soon as I reached the bus stand, when I showed the camera, yesterday it was cut off. Today, after this, you will be seeing the full video. I saw 2 buses parked inside the depot. This is the depot entrance. Okay, 2 buses were parked. Okay, 2 pink color buses. So my assumption was both were Hyderabad Nagpur buses, 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. as per the website. So these 2 buses are there. I just didn't give much thought about it. Then I started seeing the MSRTC buses. These buses I will be posting today, and one special bus also is there. That also I will be posting in part 2. Okay, this bus I took the video and I just left. From there where I went. So the timing, morning I got the information. Afternoon I saw these 2 buses. I assumed that is Hyderabad Nagpur bus. And then around 12:15, around the time after I finished all these videos, I left for traveling in Orange Line Metro. If you have not seen, please see this. It's a newly extended line. 2 new stations have been added. A very, very beautiful livery and very cleanly maintained Nagpur Orange Metro line. Okay, please see this video. So I went to metro, everything I finished, all the work and all I finished. I returned back at 4:30 to Nagpur bus stand. So by 4:30 I assumed one bus would be gone, another pink bus would be standing, which is the 5 p.m. bus. When I went near the entrance, from far distance I saw only 2 buses, no buses were there. So in the video, yesterday part 1 video only, you would have seen me telling, oh, these buses and all left early and all. Then I went to the controller and I asked him about the 5 p.m. bus. They told it will come at 5 p.m. only. Okay, so I was waiting, and then I saw one bus was reversing. Then I realized, that was the time I realized there are three buses, three super luxuries. Only two I was able to see in the morning, and third one was there. So it reversed, it came and put it in the stand. And then when traveling further on, when I spoke to the driver, he gave me the following informations. See, first of all, I'll talk about the Raipur bus, then I'll speak about these buses. Raipur bus, what he told was, it leaves Raipur in the evening or something, evening or afternoon. Then it travels to Nagpur. At night, it arrives to Nagpur around 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Some time he told. He is also not sure. And then from there, it will leave, and Hyderabad it will reach in the morning, later in the morning. By the time this 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. would have reached Hyderabad, this will come later on. But now, the reason it is stopped is, he said, passengers are not coming at all, he told. And in the break, when you saw you might have seen yesterday the Bilaspur bus, private bus standing next to this one. I would have put this one or slide also about it. Okay, he told, look at the crowd in that bus. It was fully crowded, all sitting, everything was filled up. People and all are traveling in that bus to Raipur and other private buses, but they're not coming in the government buses. The ticket is less only, he told. Again, I don't know about the ticket comparison. So Hyderabad bus fans, TSRTC bus fans would be knowing the comparison of the ticket. Okay, between TSRTC and private bus, you would be knowing the comparison of the ticket. Okay, and he told, and I don't know about the timings, who goes faster, but this bus has very less patronage, so everybody is going in private bus. So this bus is short terminated in Nagpur itself, this Raipur bus. So that was a bus, out of these two buses, one bus must have been 4 p.m. bus, another is Raipur bus, and in the evening when I came, the bus which was reversing from inside the depot was 5 p.m. In the video clip you will see, you will see a gap also in between. They would have left a gap for buses to move. One bus will be standing here, one bus will be standing here. So one of them is Raipur bus. Now you got the explanation of Raipur bus, right? One more information is, this Raipur bus, it leaves at 2:30. Now, the concept of all these buses is the two fixed timetable buses, that is 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. bus, they will leave at correct time. The 3 Adilabad bus and this Raipur bus, they don't have a fixed time. It leaves at 2:30. They come and leave as it is, because they just fill up. The main patronage is, see, Adilabad, Pandrakwada is very good patronage. Lot of Palli Velugus are there. So that is one. Then from Pandrakwada to Nagpur is also they get a lot of crowd. In my express video, you will see I will be traveling almost empty from Adilabad to Pandrakwada. Pandrakwada people filled up to Nagpur. Then Hinganghat also a lot of people filled up. Jam to Nagpur also a lot of people will fill up. So this bus it just randomly leaves at 2:30. I don't know. I mean randomly I'm saying, but maybe they have fixed it 2:30. I asked him, do people go to Hyderabad? He told no. They get filled up in between. So that means from Nagpur when it is going at 2:30, it keeps filling up to Jam, Hinganghat, Pandrakwada and all. It gets filled up. Of course, from Pandrakwada to Adilabad, you have a lot of Palli Velugus. So then from Adilabad to Hyderabad, of course, there Adilabad depot buses are there, a lot of buses are there, Hyderabad. This also somewhat will get filled up. So anyway, that bus is operating, but only up to Nagpur it is operating. Why it is having less, this one even he doesn't know, even he was thinking, he told it is less than the private bus, but still people are not coming. When I spoke to the drivers there, they told that there was indoor bus, okay. Then Bhopal, Jabalpur, Raipur buses were there, but now private buses they are not allowing them to stand, and lot of problems and all. I don't know what are the issues, but again those buses are all cancelled. But indoor, later on when I asked the inquiry, they told there is one bus from indoor. In the timetable also, in yesterday's video you might have seen timetable, indoor bus is there, but Bhopal and Jabalpur is cancelled. Raipur I am not sure whether the bus is there or not. Okay, in the timetable Raipur there is also one bus mentioned, but I don't know whether it is running or not. For indoor, there are more buses from MSRTC side, from other depots. When I post the Shirdi video, I haven't posted it. In the future, I'll be posting MSRTC Shirdi buses and all. There you will see indoor buses. Yesterday, I already posted a Pune indoor bus video, second longest Lal Pari bus. Okay, just check it out. Another information I learned was there was Rajasthan bus. There was Rajasthan bus from Dhule, I think. Dhule to Rajasthan, I don't know which place. Rajasthan there was bus, but now it is not running. If anyone knows, please let me know. Was there MSRTC bus to Rajasthan? If so, from where to where? Now I'll explain my mistake. One mistake I did in the speed bus in the TSRTC's at its best speed bus video. You might have seen that I traveled only till at the end. I will be sitting in another in one bus and talking about the timings of the bus. That bus was not the Nagpur Hyderabad bus. I got on at Adilabad. Okay, the reason why I got on at Adilabad was I thought this bus, he drove very nicely. He will take some 10-15 minutes break at Adilabad. Let me get down at Adilabad, take one more bus, Hyderabad bus. I'll go till Armoor. I'll go till Armoor. From Armoor, I'll go to Nizamabad, take a video. Then from Nizamabad, I'll take a bus to this one, Hyderabad. But okay, the same thing I followed. But what happened was, Adilabad depot bus, it started, it kept going in good decent speed only. But this bus, even after taking 10-15 minutes break, the Nagpur Hyderabad bus, he overtook this bus even before Nirmal itself. Then this bus slowly went to Nirmal, then Armoor. Armoor, when it went, no, there was disappointment. There were no buses to Nizamabad. So again, I took another ticket from Armoor to Hyderabad. The ticket cost of Nagpur to Hyderabad, I just inquired, is somewhere around 830 or something. Okay, so again from Nagpur to Raipur, you can calculate, and you can arrive at. I mean, it must be more than 1,000 rupees. I don't know what is the private bus cost. So anyway, that's the reason Raipur bus was cancelled. So that's it, friends. With this explanation, now you can see the video. Now I hope all your doubts are clarified. This video, this arriving 35 minutes early video, I'll post some other day. I don't know when, but I'll be posting some other day. And the Shirdi indoor buses and all I'll post. If you haven't, these links and all I'll give in the description box and in the pinned comment. The orange line, very beautiful library and all, and very nicely maintained. That one video. Then Nagpur part 1, if you haven't seen it, just have a look. Speed bus, the very good driving high speed bus and all. Then Pune indoor bus video also. All the 4 links I'll give it in the description box and in the pinned comment. Anyway, thank you. Nagpur bus stand. This is the bus I came in. Adilabad, Nagpur. TSRTC bus, 2 buses are parked inside. Super luxury buses. This is Titur, Nagpur, Aheri, Chandrapur, Jam. वर्धमान नगर. उमरखेड, नागपुर, वर्धा, यावतमल, आर्नी मार्गे, नांदेड, नागपुर, नांदेड, पुसद, किन्वत, Ramtek is also nearby only, I think. Ramtek depot. Ramtek to Kinwat, that was his. Nanded, Yavatmal, Pusad, Adgaon, something. Nagpur, Chandrapur, Sakoli, Bandara, Nagpur, Amaravati, Khamgaon, Jalna, Akola, Aurangabad, long distance bus. राज्य परिवहन बसचा प्रवास सर्वात प्रवास करून आम्हाला सेवेची संधी द्यावी. साकोली. For TSRTC bus, that bus is supposed to come at 5 o'clock. It's not there in the depot. In the morning it was there in the depot. The TSRTC driver told that all the buses, they don't follow the timetable, they just leave as it is. Like 3:30 bus, as soon as it comes 2:30 only it will go. 2:30 bus will go at 1:30 itself. So I believe this bus also was resting in the depot. It went, I guess. They are not at all following, because they are outside state, no, so they are not following the timetable at all. Pink color bus. It was stopped in the front only. It had gone inside. I think that's the one reversing, or is it the red one reversing? Pink bus came. TSRTC. Thank God. Depot 1136 Hyderabad. Nagpur, Hyderabad.